Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 25, 2025, about 3 days ago. This paper introduces a lightweight end-to-end document parsing and optical character recognition model that unifies text extraction, formatting, table parsing, and even reading text from charts and diagrams. And it offers a token-compressed variant that runs about 20% faster with only minimal quality loss. The paper is titled NVIDIA Nemotron-Parse 1.1. And as we will see later, the combination of strong accuracy, rich structured outputs, and real-world speed makes this a very practical model for large-scale document processing. On Hugging Face, you'll find both Nemotron-Parse version 1.1 and the faster 1 billion parameter TC variant, plus examples for parsing PDFs or slides into structured, markdown, and latex annotated text. Table 1 spells out where the model learns its skills from, showing a very large and diverse mix of document datasets. This table shows the main sources, their sizes, what annotations they contain, and which languages they cover. The entries range from an 8 million sample multilingual archive of research papers to smaller but detailed table collections like pub tables and FinTabNet. Because many datasets include both plain text and structured labels such as bounding boxes and classes, the model can learn layout, reading order, and semantics together across many languages. Table 2 shows how Nemotron-Parse stacks up against two strong baselines on a challenging internal reading order benchmark. Word error rate here measures how many characters and words the system misreads, while F1 summarizes overall precision and recall. The bold numbers show that Nemotron-Parse with the maximal information prompt reaches the lowest word error rate around 0.10 and the highest F1 about 0.96. Even the token compressed variant stays close, so the speedup comes with only a small accuracy trade-off. Table 5 shows that both Nemotron-Parse and the faster Nemotron-Parse TC handle table structure very accurately across three public datasets. TEDS here means tree edit distance similarity, which measures how closely the predicted table tree matches the ground truth layout. Scores in the 80s and low 90s indicate that cell boundaries, row groupings, and headers are mostly recovered correctly. The token compressed model essentially matches the base model, so compression barely hurts table extraction quality. Figure 1 demonstrates that the model does not just read text, it segments a complex page into meaningful regions with both boxes and labels. This figure shows the full layout with colored rectangles marking each detected block. On the left column, green boxes mark pictures, while red boxes mark text paragraphs, showing how the system distinguishes images from prose. On the right column, blue boxes labeled list item and a green section header capture a news list layout. At the bottom, an orange page footer region illustrates that even boilerplate elements such as footers get their own semantic class. Figure 2 illustrates that the model not only reads text from a dense math contest page, but also recovers structure and precise formulas. The left panel shows predicted semantic classes and bounding boxes, where colored labels like title, list item, text, and formula segment the page into meaningful regions. The right panel presents the same content rendered in clean latex and markdown style, which means the system outputs editable equations and formatting rather than just plain text. Figure 3 highlights that the model can turn messy scientific tables into clean, editable latex, which makes reuse and analysis far easier. This figure shows the full pipeline from layout understanding to final rendering across three panels. The left panel displays the original page with colored boxes, marking tables, captions, and section headers, so the system first identifies each semantic block. The center panel presents the predicted raw latex table code, which captures rows, columns, and multi-column headers. The right panel shows nicely rendered tables that closely match the original layout, confirming that the structural extraction is accurate even for complex numeric grids. Alright, the big takeaways are that Nemotron-Parse delivers rich, structured document understanding in one compact model, and the token compressed variant keeps most of the quality while being fast enough for real-time, large-scale pipelines. That combination really lowers the barrier to high-quality document analytics. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.